Hello and namaste to everyone. In my last video of arithmetic progression, we were discussing exercise 5.2 and we have discussed till question number 2. Today we will be starting from question number 3 of exercise 5.2 CBSE NCERT class 10 textbook. So let's start with question number 3, which is on page number 106. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. See, first is 2, 26. Now they are clearly saying that this is an arithmetic progression, right? If this is an arithmetic progression, then we have been given A1 as 2, A2 needs to be found out, and A3 is equals to 26. We know from our formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. If I put the value of n as 3, I get a3 is equals to a plus 2d, because 3 minus 1 is 2 and a3 is equals to a plus 2d. Now a3 is equals to what? A plus 2d. Now what is the value of a? A is the first term, which is equals to 2. So a3 is equals to 2 plus 2d. What is the value of a3? 26. 26 minus 2 is equals to 2d, which will be equal to nothing but 24 is equals to 2d, which gives me as d but nothing as 12. So if d is equals to 12, what is a2 going to be equal to? a2 will be equals to a plus d. How I found this? an is equals to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. a1 is a, n is 2 minus 1 into d, that is a plus d. Now what is the value of a? A is equal to nothing but 2. And what is the value of d? D is equals to what? 12. So 2 plus 12. A2 is equals to a plus d. Value of a is 2. Value of d is 12. So I get a2 as 14. So a2 for this case is going to be equal to 14, which is our answer. Let's move on to second part of this question. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4, right? A1, and we know the formula of An is equals to A1 plus n minus 1 into D, where A1 or A is our first term, right? An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is nothing but is equal to A1, which is our first term. Now, if first term is going to be equal to what? A. Second term will be what? Putting n is equals to 2 here, that gives me a plus d, because a plus 2 minus 1 into d is a plus d. A3 is going to be equal to what? A plus a, 3 minus 1 is 2, a plus 2d, and a4 is going to be equal to what? A plus 4 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 3d. So a1 is equals to a, a2 is equals to a plus d, a3 is equals to a plus 2d, and a4 is equals to a plus 3d. Now what do we have available? We have the value of a2 and a4 given in the question, right? So the value of a2 and a4 is given in the question. So can I say a plus d is going to be equal to 13 and a plus 3d is going to be equal to nothing but as 3? Can I say this? Can I solve both these equations? Because I have two equations and I have two variables. So subtract from equation 1. Right, because I have written this as first equation and I have mentioned this as second equation. So please don't get confused. I am mentioning this equation as first equation and this equation as second equation. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Just clarifying so that you don't get confused. So this is how I am subtracting second from 1. So I get a plus 3d minus a plus d. Okay, and what is on right hand side? It will be 3 minus 13, right? Because this has 3 here and this has 13 here. So this is going to be equal to what? 3 minus 13. And let us keep these equations for our reference because we will be needing them. So I can say that a plus 3d minus a minus d. A plus 3d minus a minus d is going to be equal to nothing but as minus 10, right? This a and this a will get cancelled. 3d minus d will be what? 2d is equals to minus 10, which gives me d as equal to minus 5. Now d is equals to minus 5. If I already have this equation a plus d is equals to 13. If I put d as minus 5 here, can I say a minus 5? Because d is equals to minus 5 is equals to 13. So a will be equals to 13 plus 5, which is going to be equal to what? 18. So that is how I get the first term of this AP, which is equals to what? The first term of this AP is equals to what? The first term of this AP is equals to 18. The common difference for this AP is equals to minus 5. And what else we need to find? I think we need to find one more term here, which is third term. What is A3 going to be equal to? A plus 2D. As explained previously, A is equals to what? 18 plus 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5 is equals to minus 10. So 18 minus 10 is equals to nothing but 8. So A3 is equals to 8, right? So what are the missing values? The first term is missing, which is equal to 18, and the third term is missing from this AP, which is equal to 8. So these are our answer for this part. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let's move on to third part of this question. Which has given me the first term, which is equals to 5, second term is missing, third term is missing, but fourth term is given to us, which is equals to 9, 1.5, which I can also write as 19 by 2. 9 into 2 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, 19 by 2. 9 2 is 18 and 1 is there, so 18 plus 1 is 19. So 19 by 2. And A1 is equals to 5. Now, using this equation, which is A1, and using this equation, that is A4, can I say A4 is equals to nothing but A plus 3D? Right? Because AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. When we will put the value of N as 4, we will get A plus 3D. A4 is equals to A plus 3D. What is the value of A here? Value of A is 5. What is the value of A4? It is 19 by 2 plus 3D. So 19 by 2 minus 5 is equals to 3D. Can I say multiplying this? 19 minus 10 by 2 is equals to 3D. 19 minus 10 is what? 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is equals to 3D, cancelling this 3. So what do I have from this? The value of common difference by solving this equation is equal to nothing but 3 by 2. So T is equals to what? 3 by 2. A is equals to what? 5. I need to find out A2. A2 will be equals to A plus D because AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. When you will put the value of 2, when you will put the value of N as 2, you will get A2 as A plus D, and in similar manner, A3 will be equals to A plus 2D. A is equal to what? 5 plus 3 by 2, which is equals to, I will multiply this so that it is same, 1 into 2 into 2, which is 10 plus 3 by 2, that is 13 by 2, and A plus 2D is equals to what? A in this case is 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2, right? So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, and what I will have? 5 plus 3, which is equals to 8. So the value of A3 is 8 and value of A2 is 13 by 2. So these two are the missing terms of this AP. I hope this part is clear to you. So now let's move on to the fourth part of this question. And I have A1 as minus 4, A2 not given to us, A3 not given to us, A4 not given to us, A5 not given to us, and A6 is given to us as what? 6, right? Now let's see. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So if I put N as 6, I will get A6 is equals to A plus 6 minus 1 into D, which is equals to nothing but A plus 5D, right? A6 is equals to A plus 5D. What is A6 from here? A6 is equals to 6. A1 is equals to what? Minus 4 plus 5D. So if I take this here, I get 6 plus 4 is equals to 5D. That is 10 is equals to 5D. And cancelling this, I get D is equals to 2. Okay, that is how I get common difference is equals to nothing but 2. Now we know that A1 is equals to minus 4 and common difference is equals to 2. So using the same formula, I can say A2 is going to be equal to A plus D, right? Which formula I am using for all this? AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. N is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. If I put the value of N as 2 in this formula, I will get A2 is equals to A plus D. And A is minus 4 and D is nothing but 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So A2 is equals to what? A2 is equals to minus 2. A2 is equals to minus 2. Now let's see what will be A3 equal to. A3 is equals to N की value, I put N as 3 or A plus 2D. A is what? Minus 4 plus 2. What is common difference? Again 2, 2 2s are 4, minus 4 plus 4 is 0 and A3 is equals to 0, right? What is A4 going to be equal to? A4 is equals to A plus 3D. Putting value of N as 4. What is A? Minus 4. What is D? 2. Minus 4 plus 6 is equals to 2. So A4 is equals to 2. What will be A5 equal to? A plus 4D. What is A? A is minus 4. What is D? 4 into 2. That is 8. So minus 4 plus 8. is equals to nothing but 4. So A5 is equals to 4. So what are the missing terms of this AP? Minus 2, comma 0, comma 2, comma 4. These are the middle 4 terms of this AP which are missing from this series. So let's start with fifth part of this question, where A1 is not given to us, A2 is equals to 38, A3, A4 and A5 are also missing, and A6 is equals to what? Minus 22. Using the formula An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, let's put N as 2 first, then I get A2 is equals to A plus D is equals to 38, and when I put value of N as 6, I get A6 is equals to A plus 5D, which is equals to nothing but minus 22, right? A2 is equals to 38, A6 is equals to minus 22. Now let's solve these two equations. Subtracting first equation from second, I get A plus 5D minus A minus D is equals to minus 22 minus 38. A and A is cancelled. 4D is equals to minus 60 and D is equals to minus 15. Right? Common difference here is equals to minus 15. Now let's put this value of D here. Okay? In first equation, let's put D as minus 15 in our first equation. Then I get A minus 15 is equals to 38. So A is equals to 38 plus 15, and 38 plus 15 is what? 8 and 5 is 13, 3, 4, 5. So A is equals to nothing but 53. This is how I get A as 53 and D as minus 15. So A1 is equals to 53. So A is equals to 53 and D is equals to minus 50. A3 is equals to A plus 2D. Again, using the formula An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, I get A3 as A plus 2D, and when I put the value of N as 3 here, I get A3 is equals to A plus 2D, which gives me what is the value of A? 53 plus 2 into minus 15. D is minus 15. So 53 minus 30. That is equals to 23. So A3 is equals to 23. A4 will be equals to what? A plus 3D. Right? If I put N as 4 here, I will get A4 is A plus 3D. A is what? 53. And D is again minus 15. 53 minus 45 is equals to nothing but 8. Right? So A3 is 23. A4 is 8. And what will be A5 equal to? A plus 4D. A is what? 53 plus 4 into minus 15, which gives me 53 minus 60, which gives me A5 as minus 7. So, what are the values which we have got here? A1, 53. A3, I think 23. A3 is 23. A4 is 8 and A5 is minus 7. These are our answer for this question. Let's move to fourth question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. Now clearly what they are asking, that there is some term 78 in the series and they want to know that which term is 78 in this series. Let us suppose that 78 is nth term of the series. So an is equals to 78. What is going to be the first term of the series? First term of the series is 3. Common difference for this will be equal to 8 minus 3, which is equals to 5. What is the formula of an? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equals to 78. And I can say a as 3, n minus 1, and what is the value of d? 5 is equals to 78. N minus 1 into 5 and 78 minus 3. Taking this to this side, 78 minus 3 is what? N minus 1 into 5, 78 minus 3 is 75. So 5, 1's are 5, then 2 will be remaining here. So 5 5's are 25. So N minus 1 is equal to nothing but 15. N minus 1 is equals to 15. So n is going to be equal to 15 plus 1, which is going to be equal to what? 16. So the value of n is 16. Therefore 78 is the 68th term of this arithmetic progression. So with this we have completed question 4 of exercise 5.2. If you have any doubts in both of these questions, please leave those doubts in comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.